All right, guys, so today we have something special for you. It was just about a week ago, maybe not even that long ago, probably about 2 or 3 days ago, that you saw my new motorcycle right there. Well, new to me motorcycle, my 2005 Road King that I call Memphis. And it was probably about a week and a half ago where you saw the 124 go through its build and get a whole new motor, 124 muscle kit. Well, this is my sister, Kim.
Hello.
All right. And as you can see, there's something behind us, a new motorcycle. It's not my motorcycle this time, it's her new motorcycle. So guys, we're gonna get this cover taken off and let you see what type of motorcycle she got. All right, roll the intro. Let's go. And you can see it's a 2016 48. The paint looks awesome, it's amazing, and it sounds really good. You know what? Go ahead and start it up. Has good sound to it, but there's a few things that we need to improve on. Yeah, so he came running. He liked the sound of it too. There's a few things that we need to improve on, and we're going to do that right now. We have a custom dynamics install for this bike. The turn signals, the headlight, the magic strobe are about to get all installed on this 2016 48. And here's the thing, I'm not going to do it. My sister's going to do it. All right, so let's get to it.
Hey guys, just got a package today from Custom Dynamics. We're going to be installing the 5.75 LED headlamp, the LED turn signals for the front, the LED turn signals for the back, the Custom Dynamics strobe light, and the clear lenses. So let's get started. All right guys, so first we're going to get this lens off, these old bulbs out, and then we're going to put the new LED Custom Dynamic lights in. Let's get started. First thing you got to do is find the notch on the lens, which is right here. Put your screwdriver in there and kind of twist. It pops right off. Then you get your bulb out by pushing it in, twisting, and pulling it out. It's that simple. So most bikes have dielectric grease in the light. It comes that way from the factory. So what you want to do is wipe it out, because LED lights do not like dielectric grease. So let's get the new turn signals opened up. Okay, so what you want to do is push them in, turn it with the screwdriver, and that's it. All right, once you have that taken care of, then you kind of roll this around so that your wire is curled back in there, and it's got a top right there where it says top. Kind of put it like that. Then take your lens, make sure your tab's at the bottom, pop it in. There we go. See the difference? You got the smoked and this red. This looks a lot better because of the black fender. I don't know, it makes it look meaner, I guess. But now we're going to do the other side. what you want to do is locate the turn signal harness and disconnect it. Turn it over and pull it out. Then we'll take the magic strobe and plug it right in line. So we're going to take the magic strobe and plug it right in line. Alright, so take So now we have the magic strobe installed, and we're going to turn it on and go through all the settings and find which one we like. All right, so first you have to turn on the switch here, this bottom switch. Get that on. Now we're going to go through all the light settings. So now it's on 0. That's 0. Turn it to 1. Now let's try 2. Oh, yeah, that's nice right there. That'll definitely get your attention. 3. Let's try 4. I think I may like 4, but let's keep going. 5. Well, I'll definitely see you at nighttime. 6. Wow, those are bright. 7. And 9. So I think the one that I really like is 4 because the strobe pulsates like you definitely can be seen. What do you guys like? Let me know in the comments. All right, let's tighten up these wires and get this seat back on. All right, so now we're going to do the front turn signals here, which is the same as the back. Put your screwdriver in, find that little tab, put your screwdriver in, pop it right off. Get it right off. There we go. All right. Push that light in, turn it, pull it out. Then we're going to wipe out that dielectric grease. Get it out of there. Take our custom dynamic LED lights and pop them in there, just like we did the back. On those tabs, so push it in there, take your screwdriver, then the tab, push in, turn. Wind it up, and there, take your lens and pop it on. All right. So look how much nicer that looks in that orange lens. That smoke lens makes it front end looks so much better. So let's do the same thing to the other side. All right. Wipe out the grease here. All right, let's see what they look like here. Oh my goodness. They're brighter than my headlight. That's so much better. I like how the lights are white now. They look better than the orange lights But even though they're bright white, when you hit that, they're still orange. I'm looking at these lights. They make my headlight look pretty pitiful. Let's get that changed too. So let's take this beauty ring off this headlight. There's a screw underneath here. Take it and loosen that screw to get the beauty ring off. Make sure you hold your light so it doesn't fall. Take that out. And there's basically, it's just a plug in here. You push this tab on the side, pops right out. So we got the old headlamp out. Let's get the new custom dynamic LED headlamp in. All right. All right. Looks good. Oh, this is really nice. This is going to look so good. Pretty simple. Just plug it in here. So we got it plugged in, plugged up. I'm going to twirl it to get it to fit. It's kind of a tight fit there. Take the beauty ring. All right, then we'll screw this back in. All right, guys, so we got the headlight in. Really looks good. I had the option of either getting the chrome or the black. And since the bike was black, you know, fender and all that, I decided to go with the black. So what do you guys think? Should I stick with the black or should I went with the chrome? Put it in the comments below. So let's turn it on and see what it looks like. Wow, that looks good. Big difference. That is.
All right, guys, so she is done. What do you think, Kim? Was it pretty simple?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
What do you think about the results? Do you like the lights?
Definitely.
All right, and I think it looks good. One more time, you want to turn it on, show everybody what it looks like? So yeah, it's really bright. I think it looks really good and great install. And I may have found my new installer. I don't think I'm gonna install anything else. Guys, put in the comments below if you want my sister to start installing stuff on my motorcycle. But guys,
All right.
I think it made the motorcycle look great. We got rid of that yellow headlight. We got rid of those amber lenses, got the smoke lenses all the way around, got the magic strobe. So now my sister, she is definitely lit up and everything is looking good. So guys, I want to thank you for watching. You got anything to add?
Just the bike looks good. It's definitely an upgrade.
It definitely is an upgrade. All right, guys, I want to thank you for watching. If you like this video, first of all, before I get into that, if you like the 48, put in the comments below, my sister's new bike. And congratulations on the new bike again. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like it, please subscribe. If you would like some lights like this, make sure that you go to customdynamics.com. They have everything that we installed today. So guys, I want to thank you for watching. Even though this is a Sportster, a 48, keep gliding. I ride a street glide. Keep gliding, and as always, have a blessed day.